Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying both phones. On phone A, confirm mobile data is active and your carrier allows tethering, open settings and go straight to Hotspot. Set a clear SSID and a strong password so only trusted devices join. Once done, enable the Hotspot toggle. On phone B, make sure Wi-Fi is on and visible. Optionally enable Bluetooth for faster pairing. You're now positioned to connect. Don't skip the password step. It prevents data sharing with strangers. Now connect phone B to phone A's hotspot. On phone B, open Wi-Fi settings and pick the SSID you created. Enter the hotspot password exactly as shown, paying attention to case. If both phones support Bluetooth tethering or Wi-Fi direct, you can pair instead for automatic connection, follow on-screen prompts and approve any pairing codes. Once connected, check the status bar and notification shade for the tether icon. If speeds are slow, move phones closer and close background apps using bandwidth. Finish by managing the active hotspot. Limit devices and enable a timeout to prevent accidental data drain. While using, watch your data meter and close heavy apps if performance dips. If phone B cannot join, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, disable and re-enable the hotspot on phone A, and retry the password entry. As a key troubleshooting tip, if basic resets fail, reset network settings on both phones. This clears stale configurations, but preserves personal data. And you can contact your carrier if tethering remains blocked.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.